Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to print a task list in Asana. So first we're going to log into our Asana website. Then next we're going to select the task you want and click on Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Then it's going to show you this pop-up page of printing. This is one step. The second step will go to the drop-down menu under your projects. Then go to Export or Sync. Then as you can see there's the print button. You guys are going to click on it. So it's going to show you the printout pop-up. So you guys could select the destination, the page, the layout. You guys could also click on more settings and change more settings there. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. So this is how you print a task list in Asana. It's a very simple step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.